Hey friends, it's me, Kay. Are you ready to get creative and make some amazing crafts together? Parents, you get to join in too. We'll use our hands, imaginations, and lots of colors to make fantastic art. All the crafts today are perfect for little hands and super easy to make. Grown-ups will help with any tricky parts, like scissors or glue. Teamwork makes the dream work. Make sure your supplies are safe and non-toxic. Safety first, then fun. Got your supplies ready? Great! Let's jump in and start our first craft. All right, budding artists, let's dive into a world of color and texture. Our first craft is finger painting, a fantastic way to explore art with your little ones. It's all about getting those hands messy and letting imaginations run wild. Finger painting is wonderfully colorful, and yes, it can get a little messy, but that's part of the fun. Embrace the mess, because that's where the magic happens. It's a sensory explosion of color and texture that kids absolutely adore. Before we begin our colorful adventure, let's gather your paints. Make sure they are non-toxic and safe for little hands and mouths. We have red, the color of fire trucks and juicy strawberries. Then there's blue, like the vast ocean and the clear sky above. And of course, yellow, the color of sunshine and happy faces. But don't limit yourself. Grab any colors you love. The more colors, the more vibrant your masterpiece will be. Feel free to experiment with different shades and hues. Now, let's prepare our workspace. Set up your painting area with newspaper or a plastic sheet. This will protect your table from any accidental splatters and spills. To keep your clothes clean, wear an apron or an old shirt. Trust us, you'll thank us later. It's all about protecting those favorite outfits from becoming colorful canvases themselves. Next, get a big white piece of paper. The bigger, the better. Squirt a little paint onto a plate. This will be your palette for creating amazing art. Now for the fun part. Dip your finger in a color and gently press it onto the paper. Feel the cool, smooth texture of the paint. You can make dots, small and large, scattered all over the page, or create lines, straight and wiggly, long and short. How about swirls? Round and round they go, creating mesmerizing patterns. Now let's get a little more adventurous. Try mixing colors right on the paper. Remember, red and yellow make orange, like a bright sunset, and blue and yellow make green, like the leaves on the trees. What new colors can you create by mixing different paints together? The possibilities are endless. For even more fun, use more than one finger at a time to create unique patterns and textures. Remember, there are absolutely no rules in finger painting. Let your creativity flow freely. Parents, get involved. Talk about the colors you're using and how the paint feels on your fingers. Is it cold, squishy, or smooth? Engage all the senses to make this a truly immersive experience. Fill your page with vibrant rainbows arching across the sky. Create beautiful gardens, bursting with colorful flowers and lush greenery, or paint anything you imagine. Let your imagination be your guide and see where it takes you. When you're done creating your masterpiece, ask a grown-up to carefully help move your painting. Find a safe spot to dry your artwork, away from curious hands and wagging tails. And most importantly, don't forget to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Get all that paint off those little fingers. Great job, everyone. You made a truly amazing masterpiece. Be proud of what you created. Now, what did you paint? Share your beautiful art with your family and friends. Let them admire your creativity. Ready for the next exciting craft? I know I am. Let's go explore some more creative adventures. Remember, creativity is often messy, and that's perfectly okay. In fact, that's the best part. Embrace the mess and enjoy the process of creating something wonderful. Are you ready for a craft that's super fun and totally mess-free? It's sticker art time. Get ready to unleash your creativity and make something amazing with just stickers and paper. This is a fantastic way to keep little hands busy and imagination soaring. First, grab your favorite stickers. The more variety, the better. Think about what kind of story you want to tell. Do you want animals, stars, vehicles, maybe even some sparkly glitter stickers? The choice is all yours. Gather them all up and get ready to create. Pick anything you like. There are no rules here, just pure creative fun. The possibilities are endless when you have a pile of awesome stickers. Next, choose a background paper. This will be the canvas for your sticker masterpiece. Will it be white, green, blue, or yellow? Maybe you want to use a darker color to make your stickers really pop. Think about what color will best suit your sticker scene. Now comes the fun part. Peel off a sticker. If it's a little tricky, grown-ups can help. Teamwork makes the dream work. Carefully position your sticker and press it firmly onto your paper. Now, let's make a scene, a world of your very own. How about a car on grass, zooming along on an adventure? Or maybe a sheep in a field munching on some yummy grass under the warm sun. Perhaps a rocket soaring through the sky, heading off to explore new planets. Add more stickers to tell a story. What happens next in your sticker world? Maybe a moon shining brightly, a fish swimming in a sparkling pond, or beautiful flowers blooming in a garden. Parents, talk about the stickers with your child. It's a great way to learn and bond. What sound does a cow make? Can you moo like a cow? What color is the star? Is it a yellow star, a red star, or maybe even a sparkly silver star? Place stickers high or low. Think about where things would be in your real-life scene. Airplanes belong in the sky, soaring through the clouds, and fish belong in the sea, swimming amongst the coral and seaweed. Don't be afraid to overlap stickers to make your scene even more interesting and dynamic. You could create a bustling farm with cows, pigs, and chickens, or a busy city with tall buildings, cars, and buses. Maybe even a wild jungle filled with tigers, monkeys, and colorful birds, or a magical land with unicorns, rainbows, and sparkling castles. Remember, there's no wrong way to do it. Let your imagination be your guide. Fill your page with fun, color, and lots of imagination. The more stickers, the merrier. Now it's time to show off your sticker art. Hold it up high and be proud of what you created. You're an artist. You used your fingers, your creativity, and your imagination to make something truly wonderful and unique. Want to make another scene? Go for it! The sticker fun never has to end. Stickers make storytelling easy, engaging, and super fun for everyone. So what amazing world did you create with your stickers today? Tell me all about it. Now that we've explored the world of sticker art, let's move on to our next crafty adventure. Get ready for more fun and exciting creations. Are you ready for a super fun and creative project? Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of paper plate crafts. Get ready to transform a simple, ordinary paper plate into an extraordinary animal friend. It's a fantastic way to spark your imagination and create something truly unique. First things first, grab a paper plate. Now, it's time to add some color. You can use markers, crayons, or even paint, whatever you have on hand and feel like using. Let your creativity flow and choose your favorite colors to bring your animal to life. How about yellow for a majestic lion, king of the jungle? Imagine his golden mane shining bright, or maybe pink for a cute and cuddly pig, oinking and rolling in the mud. Perhaps green for a playful frog, hopping around and catching flies with its long tongue. Once you've colored your plate, it's time to draw a face. Give your animal friend big, expressive eyes, a cute little nose, and a happy, cheerful smile. What kind of expression will you give your animal? Happy, sad, surprised? It's all up to you. Now let's add some special features. For a lion's mane, carefully glue strips of orange or brown paper all around the edge of the plate. This will create a fantastic, fluffy mane that any lion would be proud of. If you don't have paper, you can also use colorful yarn to create a textured mane. Or, if you prefer, simply draw the mane directly onto the plate with crayons or markers. Remember, parents, your help is always welcome. Assist with tricky tasks like gluing small pieces or using scissors to cut out shapes. Don't forget the ears. Cut out some paper shapes that resemble ears and carefully glue them on top of the plate. What shape will your animal's ears be? Round, pointy, floppy? Want to add even more details and make your animal truly stand out? Draw some fun whiskers, add a playful tail using pipe cleaners or paper, or even create a cute little tongue sticking out. Now that you've made one animal, why stop there? Try making other animals. How about a friendly cow, a gentle elephant, or a fluffy sheep covered in soft cotton balls? Remember, each animal you create is unique and special, so make yours truly one of a kind. Once you're completely done, it's time to proudly show off your amazing animal pal to everyone. You can even make your animals talk to each other and create fun stories. Hello, Mr. Lion. How are you today? Hello, Mrs. Piggy. What a lovely curly tail you have. Just like that, You've turned a simple, plain paper plate into a brand new, adorable friend. Now that you've experienced the magic of paper plate animals, what animal adventure will you embark on next? Remember, crafting animals is not just fun, it's also a fantastic way to express your creativity and use your imagination to bring amazing creatures to life. Why not try making a whole zoo filled with your paper plate creations? Imagine all the different animals you can create. Don't forget to share your wonderful animal pals with your family and friends. They'll be amazed by your creativity and artistic skills. Are you feeling inspired and ready for even more crafting fun and exciting adventures? Well, what are we waiting for? Let's keep the creativity flowing and keep going with our crafting journey. Now, let's use our hands to make beautiful handprint flowers. Pick colorful paper for your petals and a background paper for your flower. Lay your hand flat on the paper and have a grown-up trace around it. Trace your hand on different colors for more petals. Grown-ups, cut out the handprints. Draw a green stem and leaves on your background paper. Glue the handprint petals around the top of the stem to make a flower. Overlap the handprints to form a circle. For the flower's center, use a pom-pom button or a paper circle. Glue it in the middle of your petals. Add leaves to your stem with a marker or paper. Make a whole garden of handprint flowers, one for each family member. Each flower is special because it's made from your hand. Give your flower as a gift or hang it up to brighten your room. What colors did you use for your petals? Handprint flowers are a fun way to remember how little your hands are. Let's get ready for our last craft. For our last craft, let's make popsicle stick puppets. Grab popsicle sticks, paper, markers, and glue. Draw your puppet character on sturdy paper, maybe yourself, an animal, or a silly monster. Add details, hair, eyes, clothes, or anything you like. Grown-ups, help cut out the puppet shape. Glue the paper character to a popsicle stick. Let the glue dry, then decorate the stick if you want. Now you have a puppet. Make it dance, wave, or talk. Create more puppets for a family or animal show. Put on a puppet show for your family. Tell a story or sing a song. You made a craft and a toy all in one. What puppet did you make? Let's wrap up our crafty day. What an amazing day of crafting. We painted, made sticker scenes, animal pals, handprint flowers, and puppets. Thank you for joining me and being fantastic artists. Be proud of your creations. Give yourself a high five. Parents, share your child's masterpieces in the comments if you'd like. Don't forget to clean up your crafting space together. If you had fun, subscribe for more creative adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye!